In this video, I'm going to show you how to open Resource Monitor on your Windows 10 PC using run command. So firstly, open run command by pressing Windows key plus R. And also you can open run by right click on start, and here you will see option run. So open it. Now anyhow you need to type this command RES MON, then OK. That's it. So as we can see now, Resource Monitor is opened via run command. So very quick and super easy method to open Resource Monitor. Firstly press Windows key plus R, then type this command RES MON, then press enter. That's it. Thanks for watching.